Nowadays, industry in Europe faces stiff competition in the global arena and needs to find ways to significantly improve productivity and quality. In parallel, electronic engineering processes and production systems become more and more complex. In particular, software components increasingly relying on hardware configurations, and their interactions with their underlying environment, are both becoming often extremely numerous, complex, heterogeneous and strongly interrelated. In this context, Megamart 2 proposes a solution to achieve quality and efficiency in the software lifecycle by bridging the gap between design and runtime phases. Let's think about a real case. The use of advanced software systems is essential for logistic companies to fulfill objectives related to cost reduction and growth. Imagine a big warehouse that needs to provide food to different European regions and requires faster and more reliable technologies to connect vehicles to the main station, or to allocate and organize raw materials in warehouse centers, among other daily needs. Let's consider now another important sector in industry, transportation. Safety issues are considered one of the most important factors in transportation, not only by companies but more importantly by governments and regulators. Imagine a national train transportation system which is working with an old and inefficient software system. Moreover, as much as the population grows and demands new transportation's complex models and solutions, safety remains an unavoidable factor. Megamart 2 is going to revolutionize the way in which the design and runtime phases of the life cycle of complex software systems are accomplished, taking advantage of model-based engineering techniques to address inherent complexity of embedded systems. Megamart 2 combines model-based techniques with other important existing methods to enhance traceability between design and runtime information, also to collect accurate feedback of what is going on at runtime to improve the whole system engineering process. Megamart 2 envisions the use of megamodeling to manage all of the involved specifications and designs, configurations and logs in an integrated manner, tackling their diversity. The Megamart 2 framework solution is expected to have a strong impact in the market because it will enable higher productivity and quality levels and shorter time to market for the development of large and complex embedded systems. Megamart 2 is being developed by several European companies and organizations expert in software engineering for complex systems, and the solution will be validated in highly relevant industry case studies. The involvement of such stakeholders shows the great interest of European companies to make important innovations in their respective industry.